Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 28th November 2025. Tata Trusts will see a return to its former structure with experienced and younger Tata family members joining. This follows recent trustee disagreements and the removal of Vijay Singh. The changes aim to restore balance within the trusts. New members are expected to contribute to the trust's philanthropic work. The situation has stabilized for now. Tata Realty and Infrastructure Limited has secured a significant Rs 1,280 crore green loan from DBS Bank India. This funding is for a sustainable commercial project in Gurugram. DBS Bank India served as the sole advisor and green loan coordinator for this important transaction. The loan will support certified green assets meeting global sustainability benchmarks. Real estate fund manager Mount K Capital is raising over Rs 4,000 crore for its second fund, targeting domestic and offshore investors. The partnership-driven platform will invest in residential, mixed-use and redevelopment projects across key Indian markets, focusing on early-stage acquisition and pre-approval stages. This capital raise supports the expansion of its strategy, building on the success of its first fund. The Reserve Bank of India is poised to lower its key interest rate by 25 basis points to 5.25% on December 5th. Economists anticipate this rate will remain steady through 2026. This move is supported by a significant drop in food prices and tax cuts, which have lowered consumer inflation. The currency hit a new low of 89.49 against the dollar on Friday. China's Envision Group is considering a $34 million battery plant in India, aiming for a 5 gigawatt annual capacity to support the country's renewable energy grid upgrades. The company plans to localize rack and software infrastructure while procuring cells from China. Fintech company 197 Communications subsidiary, Paytm Payment Services Limited or PPSL, has finally received the Reserve Bank of India's or RBI's permit to operate as a payment aggregator, the company announced on November 27th, Thursday. The RBI had granted in-principle approval in August and on November 26, 2025, issued the Certificate of Authorization under the Payment and Settlement Systems Act 2007, the company said in a regulatory filing. The regulator has also lifted the November 2022 restrictions that barred PPSL from onboarding new merchants. Adani Group has acquired a 72.8% stake in flight simulation solutions for Rs 820 crore. In an exchange filing, Adani Enterprises disclosed that the transaction was carried out by Adani Defence Systems and Technologies and Horizon Aero Solutions, a subsidiary of the company. Flight Simulation Solutions is India's largest independent provider of flight training and simulation, operating 11 advanced full flight simulators and 17 training aircrafts. The company offered pilot training, commercial pilot licenses, type ratings, recurrent training and specialized skill courses. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.